Hello and welcome to tonight's weather forecast. There's currently a rain and thunder-bearing cloud system which is engulfing the coast of Benin and Togo. The bulk of the rainstorm remains over the ocean. However, we are expecting this rainstorm to induce cloudiness over the coastal cities of the country. So if you're around the Volta and the Greater Accra regions towards the coast, we are expecting you to see mostly cloudiness with pockets of rainfall, slight to moderate rains during this evening. Areas in the central and western regions are expected to have higher probability of moderate to heavy rainfall conditions later today. So if you're around the central and the western regions, expect some rainfall conditions from this rainstorm later. In the eastern regions too, we're expecting some pockets of rainfall to be experienced. Temperatures for the southern portions of the country will drop to around 22 to 24 degrees Celsius due to this cloudiness that we are expecting tonight. We are expecting also that areas in the northern portions will have massive development of cloud later tonight. So for the eastern parts of the northern sector, around the northern region, the upper east and northeast regions, rains are expected to be experienced there. And then later in the night, going into the morning, areas in the western side of the northern sector will also have their share of the rain. So if you're around Wabole, Sola, do look out for some cloudiness and rainfall conditions in the morning tomorrow. The rest of the country will be bright, especially in the middle portions of the country, whilst the early morning will be quite misty over the eastern, the western, central, and Ashanti regions, causing a reduction in visibility over these areas. As we move into the afternoon, conditions will be brighter with sunny situations prevailing across the sectors of the country. Temperatures are expected to rise to around 32 degrees Celsius over the coast of the country, around 33 to 35 degrees Celsius for areas in the mid portion, and about 37 degrees Celsius over Bolgatanga. So after the rains, we expect some sunny conditions in the northern portions to be experienced. Temperatures for the rest of the northern sector will be around 36 degrees Celsius. Later in the day, we still expect some pockets of rainfall over a few places in the middle and the northern portions of the country. Do follow us on all our social media platforms and get more updates on that. That'll be all for the forecast for the next 24 hours. Do have a nice